Hello. Thanks for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos. Today is another use at your own risk themed video from my Q10 8-question specific thing. If you've been following along, if not, you can check my playlist with all my mindset, positivity, etc. Personal development, I suppose you can call it. Themed videos playlist. I'll have a link to that in the description. And yeah. Today's question is, what are you proud of? Uh so pretty easy, and as soon as I got home today I was like, oh my god. Legit just like proud that I've made it to the end of my third day in dairy farming. Um, Anyone who's watching this who's done dairy farming, I can tell you it's calving season and the calves are getting fed twice a day, mainly by me, and then there's also milking happening twice a day. There are a lot of farms that do the feeding and milking only once a day in the morning so that then it's more reasonable for life. But that is not the case with the farm that I'm on. I was just smelling my hair because there's just like a constant like cow smell that I think is maybe I don't even oh, it might be this sweater. I think I wore it in the shed at one point, but it didn't look dirty. It doesn't feel dirty, but it's got that something smell about it. Anyways, uh, yeah, I think another job that I did, work exchange gig, wasn't really a job. One of the ladies, whenever we had a really good, it was a couple that I was staying with, and they have a yurt and teepee business in Anglesey, and the lady was always saying that whenever we had like a really busy day, that we had like earned our existence on the planet, and I feel like that's every day with dairy farming, especially calving season. I'm going back and forth between like hating it and then being like, oh, but if I can do this, then it's like everything else will seem easy. I feel like dairy farming in New Zealand is like tree planting in Canada. It's like you don't really make a lot of money. It's an extremely hard lifestyle. Manually, like just physically hard. Um, and yeah, challenging for sure. Luckily, the people I'm working for and with are all pretty, um, like really nice. Obviously, there's those moments when it's like, it wouldn't matter who you were with, it's just like, holy hell. Um, so yeah, I think dairy farming, I'm assuming, is always difficult or challenging, whatever we want to um, call it. But particularly calving season, which I figured just because it was more busy, but then I didn't also think about how, um, like, a lot of the cows that are being milked for the first time ever, like, particularly on this farm, there's at least like 40 new milking cows that have never been milked before. So that they're just like, it's just it's like, just gotta get this cow done. And then, like, there's some of them that you just really gotta take a few little breaths and then Like, you try to be empathetic to the fact that they're just like, what is going on? I don't understand what milking is. Yeah, I get it. That's a messed up situation, but it's gotta get done every day for a while now. They'll get used to it, but also I'm just getting used to it. So it's just like, we're in the same boat together, hun. Um, but yeah, I definitely feel like this is my third day. And every day when I get to the end of the day, I'm just like, wow, I can't believe I survived all that. That just seemed like a lot. I think also because the first few days, like especially the first day, they were really trying to like be nice and give me all the like easy jobs and really like helping a lot. And then the second day was kind of similar. There was more people around, but then today, one of the farm assistants was his day off, and then the owners weren't there. So it was really just me and the main guy who manages the farm manager, and then his wife like comes and helps a bit, but like they've got 2 kids and she's got like the whole house to run as well. So it's like, um, yeah, just the three of us was like, this is a lot more things that need to get done with less people. But yeah, so that is the video for today. Very proud that I got to the end of it. I think I'm just gonna not try and think of how long I'm gonna stay with this. I'm just gonna do the first week, and then when the first week's over, I'll look at the second week, and then when the second week's over, I'll have a little check back and see how it goes. I'm on 6 days on, 1 day off. So it's a pretty like full-on schedule. And it's going to be like that until the end of August. And then it goes 12 days on, 2 days off, which is the same amount of days off, but you just get 2 days off in a row. So I'm almost like, I think I'd almost prefer 6 days and then 1 day. But I guess then I can like go do stuff or whatever. But then during those 12 days, how do you get anything done? Like tomorrow I'm going to have to go do stuff. Anyways, this has turned into a rant. So sorry about that one. But I'm just like so happy that I'm surviving so far for today, really. I don't even want to think about tomorrow or the next 4 days before my day off. Because I decided to do 7 days so that I could have the Monday off instead of Sunday, because then anyways. Yeah, crazy times. If you've had a very challenging job or situation that felt really like good afterwards, when you were like, wow, I can't believe I did that, hey, then you should comment in this video about that. And cool beans. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.